Vuforia Expert Capture. Improve your maintenance SOPs with guided, AR-enabled work instructions. The speed and accuracy of routine equipment maintenance is crucial to minimizing downtime and maintaining costly machines and equipment on the factory floor. However, industrial manufacturers typically use paper-based SOP instructions that come with the equipment that they use in their production environments. These can often be outdated or difficult to follow, leading many organizations to rely on the tacit knowledge of a few experts to perform maintenance. As these experts exit the workforce, less experienced frontline workers will need improved SOPs to follow in order to efficiently complete their work. Lengthy maintenance cycles due to inefficiency or errors lead to prolonged downtime costs that impact production schedules and throughput. Digitizing and augmenting your SOPs can give frontline workers access to consistent and accurate instructions for executing maintenance quickly and effectively. Having the tools to easily capture, create, and deliver in-context work instructions, especially when CAD data isn't available, improve the efficiency and agility of your workforce. Vuforia Expert Capture facilitates the creation, distribution, and execution of augmented work instructions. Subject matter expertise for maintenance SOPs is easily captured using a head-mounted device. This captured content can then be edited and enhanced with images and PDFs and distributed to frontline workers to guide them through new or unfamiliar tasks. The visual aspect of AR-enabled work instructions minimizes confusion for the operator by placing content in the context of their work environment. By accelerating the creation and distribution of maintenance instructions for better frontline execution, manufacturers will see the impact on their business with increased production efficiency, as AR instructions provide better accuracy and productivity for the frontline, faster maintenance execution to decrease downtime costs, and reduced training costs with better methods that are easier to update while reducing the burden of valued experts. Vuforia Expert Capture. Create, execute, and analyze knowledge-based augmented work instructions that help your frontline employees do their jobs more productively, accurately, and safely.